Welcome friends, today I will show how to see WhatsApp deleted message. Open Play Store. Here type what's removed and click on what's removed plus. Click install. Here it is installing. Click on open button. Here accept the license and click yes. Here you have to give notification access to what's removed plus. Click allow. Here check WhatsApp and click on next. Give file saving access and click allow. Here it is done. Now there you will see there is a WhatsApp menu right of detected. Click on it. You will find here all the WhatsApp messages that are coming to your device. If you find any message is deleted, you simply open What's Removed Plus app and find your desired message. If this video helps you, please subscribe our channel and press the bell to get next video notification. Be with us. Thank you.